Okay, hi. I'm going to talk about co-construction. It's only something that I've only started to do recently. It's only something that I've done on really small projects. Basically, it's asking the class to construct their own learning and to set their own criteria for planning, learning and their assessment. So, why I wanted to do this, I wanted the class to have a really in-depth understanding of the processes in food and textiles, which I teach. And I didn't want them just to get complacent with the normal procedures that I give them. I wanted them to really start to think outside the box for themselves and stretch their own learning. And I wanted them to start to assess their own levels and tell me where they were, where they should be, as opposed to me just differentiating for high, middle and low. And I wanted greater levels of stretch and challenge. So what I did is I gave each group something similar like this. So I told them, for example, in food, you will be making in 2 lessons' time Christmas chocolate truffles. Tell me every single stage you need to achieve to make the most perfect high-level truffles with all the planning that you need. They went away and they thought about all the planning they should do from lessons that we've had already and their own versions. They went on YouTube, they looked at videos, they told me different levels of planning that I wouldn't have even thought of. They started thinking about if they're manufacturing them, how to present them evenly, and all different things which were a lot higher level, which I'd expect from another year group. They decided that they wanted to split their assessment into good, better, and best, and even came up with what they considered a good product to be, and a middle product, and then an outstanding product. And they really pushed their learning. Some of the things they asked for, things I wouldn't necessarily have given them, because I thought maybe it was too high a level. But they wanted to be stretched, and I found that they wanted to be stretched a lot more than I would have thought they would have wanted to. I found that my lower level boys, and I know that's not something we like to say lower level, achieved far higher. People put themselves at a higher level when I asked them to assess their own level and achieve far greater because they had set their own criteria and planned their own success. Thanks.